Hello composers, Mike here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can level up your accents in Logic Pro X. Let's do this right now. Alright, so here I have a composition I have created, which is a really high energy action track, and what I'm going to show you in this video is a trick that I call the powerful accent generator method. So let me just play a bit of this track first for you so you can get a sense for what I have here. Alright, so I will stop there, and the thing I'm going to show you is when you want to have your accents really powerful in your composition, regardless if you are having your accents in the drums, in the ostinatos and rhythms, even your melody notes, what I use is a technique to augment the accents on any instrument by using the accents from another instrument as a guide. So let's say we take a look here at the low big drums. Of course, those are playing the main accents. Oops. So just check this one, and you see, since the low drums are more sparse, they basically play the main accents. It could be the cymbals or any other instrument. Could be stabs, for example. So, and then we have this instrument. Now, if I want to augment the accents here on this instrument, using this as a guide, I simply open up by selecting that part and then holding down Shift and then click on that. Click on E, open up in piano roll, zoom in, and here you have both at the same time. This is the low percussion, and here is the orchestral stabs here. So you see, this is the pattern of the accents, which are, but the stabs plays also other notes. Let's say I want to just increase the dynamic level, meaning adding a higher velocity value here on where the accents land on the big percussion here. So first you simply select the notes that you are going to use as your guide, which is these, and then you will always get a good starting point by using the key command Shift plus P, which will select all the notes of the same sub position as these. So if I select Shift P, watch what happens. Logic selects all the notes on the same sub position, but, well, it made the right decision here, 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 here. These notes are not on an accent on this track because they have to relate to, let's say, this is the same sub position of a bar, so you can simply hold down Shift and delete that. Now, at least you have the exact same selection on the stabs here as the accents. You can see here, 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 not this one, not that, not that, not that. That one you have to exclude as well. So you have the accents land on the correct notes. Now you want to remove those notes because you want to make changes to the velocity on these stabs accents. So you simply hold down Shift again, press this. Those are gone. Now you can simply ride the velocity fader like so. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. Let's do it. And you get a much higher velocity level on the accents on the stabs, which if we listen to it sounds like this now. Whoops. Let's add the stabs to it like so, and open up piano roll editor again, and it sounds like this. And you heard really well that the accents marked really well here, and then they dialed back because these doesn't have the same velocity because they don't land on the main accents. So you can use this trick for any of your parts in your composition. Choose one of your tracks, most often low drums or something like that, that has the main accents, and then just open it up at the same time as another part and do this MIDI selection and editing of the velocity. Oh, by the way, a final bonus tip is that you can actually select several clips at the same time. So let's say you want to change the stabs here with the low drive and even the bass line here. So open up all at the same time, then click E, select all, Z to zoom in, and now you can use the same trick. You have here is still the low drums, but now you can use the same trick to change the velocity on the accents on all the other parts at the same time. Check out my complete video series on Logic Pro X tutorials and tips here on my channel. Learn and master Logic Pro X to boost your music composition and production workflow.